You may want to go around that little block there.
Okay.
Like go down here and then turn around in that little circle.
Pull up right here?
Yeah, because this is what we're gonna be doing today. All right, crew. Hey, welcome back, man. Hey, today is the next day after we got parts and stuff together for the cab and knocked that dent out of the hood. But hey, I wasn't really expecting this today, so I guess I got kind of lucky today. And hey, I do not say this lightly. Today is going to be another epic video, guys. You know, I was planning on getting my cab DUSTLESS blasted Tuesday, Wednesday. Well, it's Monday. And my nephew called me up and he said that he had a spot that canceled. I was supposed to go to work this evening, but I'm gonna try to make it work out. If I go in a little late, that's what I'm gonna have to do. But we're gonna get this stuff knocked out, man. You know, I do not like to wait. When I got opportunity, I'm gonna go ahead and take care of it. So you guys hang out with me today. We're gonna get some epic video going on, guys. Hey, it's gonna be an awesome day. I'm just so excited. Also, if you guys are new to the channel, my name is CJ, and this is where we get the job done and we do it ourselves and we have fun doing it. So, hey, don't forget now, if I ain't told you guys yet, I'm back with another video, and it's gonna be an epic video. So right now, I'm gonna try to go ahead and prep, guys. Hate to seem like if I'm rushing, but I'm just trying to get everything laid out before Andrew gets over here so we can get to work, guys. So I gotta move midnight here, move her, and I moved my other vehicles out, and I'm probably put them over here in the parking lot. That way we can have all this here to sandblast and everything. I normally would do it down in the driveway, but I don't know. I'm gonna do the cab first because he can always pick up and move. So hey, you guys stay tuned, hang out with me, and I'll see you guys in a second. You may want to go around that little block there.
Okay.
Like go down here and then turn around in that little circle.
Pull up right here?
Yeah, because this is what we're gonna be doing today. All right, Andrew here with the DUSTLESS blasting, guys. So we are about to get started. That's the name of his company, Clean Slate Restoration. All right, guys. Hey, we're about to start this blasting here. Me and Andrew pulled everything out. Here and stuff, we're gonna do the cab first. I'm not gonna do everything in the cab. But here she go, man. This is a new beginning. Let's do it. Let's get it done. There's Andrew. It's gonna be a little loud today. Alright guys, so we are pretty much done with this cab, man. This is good stuff here. So I got the edges all around that. Inside the cab is done there where I want it. All that will be cut out. I told them don't even worry about sandblasting when I'm gonna cut all that out of it. See, they put Bondo up in here, which this right here should have been welded. So I may take all this out and I'll put that whole new piece in there. My edges look good. Alright guys. Hey, so we're about to roll this puppy back up in there, and we're going to get on the other pieces now. So it's going to be a process. I say we probably got, let's say about 2 more hours. This cab only took an hour. So I'll turn you guys back on once we start the other panel. Alright guys, so we are finished for the day, man. We got a lot of stuff done today. Very productive day. I appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. We got a lot of this stuff blasted up. I got everything nice and neat back up in the garage. As you can see, I can see what needs to be done, what wasn't done properly. Just like in these things here, they actually put Bondo up in here, guys, and that's not the proper way of doing this. What you're supposed to do is cut this out. You're supposed to solder the lead back up in there. So all that stuff will be taken care of properly. But I just want to bring you guys along with me today to let you see the DUSTLESS sandblasting process. And hey, I tell you what, it went awesome. Very little cleanup. What you see here, guys, we had tarps down and we cleaned all that stuff up. The next step is probably just put this in etching primer. That way I can work on it piece by piece as need be. So Hey, I'm gonna let you guys get out of here, but I want to appreciate you guys for hanging out with the Cigar Man today. And also, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and also hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell as well so you guys get all the updates. But like I said, guys, this was another awesome video. Appreciate you guys coming along with me. And like I always tell people, if you got a fast car or a fast truck, smoke them if you got them, baby. CJ is out, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.